welcome you all in my channel Long Live Homeopathy. It's a awareness channel so that the people should know that homeopathy works in all the problems and all the diseases. Very rare in case of emergency you have to visit the hospital. Otherwise you may contact homeopathic hospital or homeopathic doctor nearby. Today we will discuss about the cataract headache. Headache associated with the cataract, mucus inflammation of the upper respiratory tract, commonly seen in colds, sinusitis and allergic rhinitis. In these conditions it appears. Causes: acute chronic rhinitis and sinusitis. Exposure to cold, damp weather, suppressed nasal discharge, allergic dust pollen, viral infection may be, deviated nasal septum, predisposing factor it is, DNS, pathophysiology, inflammation of nasal and sinus mucosa, that is the mucus secretion, blocked sinus openings, pressure build-up, venous congestion, dull heavy headache, toxin accumulation, poor drainage, throbbing or bursting pain. Pain worsens with the bending forward due to sinus pressure. If patient moves forward, then the pain aggravates. Signs and symptoms: frontal or maxillary headache, heaviness is there, worse in the morning or on waking, in the morning only. Relieved by warm application, discharge onset. Nasal symptoms: blocked nose, nose is always blocked, both the nose or one nose, right or left. Thick yellow-green discharge. It comes very tough to come out. Sneezing is also one of the great factors. Associated symptoms: dullness, irritability is present there. Watering eyes, post-nasal drip is also one of the associated factors. Homeopathic treatment: Calibicrom, thick stringy mucus, sinus pain at one point. Pulsatilla, thick blind discharge, better in open air. Thick blind discharge, better in open air. Belladonna, sudden onset and throbbing redness. These are the symptoms of belladonna. Bryannia alba, headache worse by motion, better by pressure. And the next medicine is Nux vomica. Nux vomica symptoms are blocked nose at night, very irritable patient. Potency, 12C potency is very useful. Take 2 drops thrice in a day. You can take it directly or in a half cup of water 3 times a day. In chronic constitutional problem, sulfur, chronic cataract, heat and burning. These are the symptoms of sulfur. Calcarea carbonica, recurrent cold, sweating on head, weakness is also present there. Then calcarea carbonica will be the medicine. Silesia, chronic sinus and blockage and pus formation is also there. These are the 3 medicines for the chronic and constitutional cases. It should also be taken in 12C or 30C potency. Nosors. Nosors is used for recurrent or resistant. Sorinum, dirty offensive discharge. Extreme chilliness is present there. So Sorinum will be the medicine. Medullinium, chronic sinusitis with thick discharge, worse damp. Medullinium patients are worse in damp room or damp weather. Tuberculinum, recurrent cold, changeable symptoms. This helps address miasmatic background. Now friends, we are coming on sarcos. There are 3 remedies: adrenalinum, thyroidinum and pituitarium. Adrenaline symptoms are vascular headache, congestion. Thyroidinum symptoms is metabolic sluggishness with chronic cataract in thyroidinum. Pituitarium is sinus and mucosal regulation. Pituitarium is a very good remedy. Never suppress nasal discharge. This worsens the headache. Look for modalities, better, worse factors for remedy selection. So, don't take any medicine of your own. Consult a homeopathic physician or hospital nearby. Friends, I would like to request you that please share it with your nearest and dearest ones. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Honeyman.